Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power brakes, trip odometer, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, daytime running lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.